Okay, this is gonna be a quick video. It's just a video about my car getting hit. Very minor. No one got injured, thankfully. Just scratches on the paint. The door was pretty heavily damaged, but it's not too bad, as you can see here. And then here's my reaction after I got the car back. Let's go, dude. I got my car back from Caliber Collision, bro, and they fixed my car and cleaned it too for free. Look at this. It's immaculate. They even got rid of the green mold or the algae. It's so clean. I'm gonna go outside and quickly show you guys what happened. Seats had like some white stains, crumbs and weird stuff, but it's all back to just matte black, or just black. Look at that. I'm so happy right now. Caliber Collision, bro, you guys did something else. Okay, car looking cleaner than ever, except the tires. Oh, what's up, Devin? But look at the other side. This is not even the broken side. So they got the rear bumpers painted too. Oh. Look at that. It's so clean. Yeah, nice. And then this side is even cleaner and shinier. Oh, it's awesome. The tires are still kind of cruddy, but they can't do anything about that. Honestly, I don't think I had money in there.
You checked?
Yeah.
I think you did.
Are you sure? Well, they wouldn't have taken. They didn't touch anything else. Bro, look at this though. Remember there was like Shiza here?
Yeah.
It's all gone. And the skirt right here used to be shattered or something.
I thought you just said shit.
That's better than ever. Yo, Davin.
Did they take out your...
Perfect condition. No algae. Perfect rim or edges. The Doges were touched. Okay. Dude, I'm so satisfied, bro. It's awesome. Dang. I can see myself in here.